Hey guys, Mr. Hanson here with your weekly introductory video. Um, we are entering into our last unit for our ESL Online for this year. Um, and I'm excited about this one because we are doing something a little bit different. Okay, so it's not different in that we're going to change a ton of stuff, but just our content might be a little bit different. Now these are going to schedule tomorrow, but like what we did last week, you will have a section that you're going to read. You will have 6 components of it, so you want to do 3 per week. And then I also put on here your review discussion questions, and your unit projects are optional. I've had a few students question and be confused about this. These things are just to help your teachers for discussion, or if you want to extend your learning, these are here for you. But the only thing that you're absolutely required to do is you need to do these questions on Imagine Reading. Okay, so for Call of the Wild, for instance, all right, there is a few sections on here. So you'll have your introduction, all right, but then you have chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 3 per week, and then that's it. Then we'll be done. So each of you is going to have, sorry, I'm on the wrong page, excuse me, is going to be looking at a book this week. And these are just abridged versions. They're not the full thing. Okay. But I thought that might be kind of a nice change of pace for us. So 3rd through 4th grade, you have The Wizard of Oz. 5th through 6th grade, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. 7th through 8th, The Call of the Wild, which we looked at. And then 9th through 12th, one of my favorites, Sherlock Holmes and the Red-Headed League. Okay. So you guys keep plugging away at this. If you have problems, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll try to answer any questions that you post on here. I'll be in communication with Jeff Davis. He's in charge of the ESL program, or partly in charge of the ESL program in the district. We'll reach out to your teachers. We'll do everything we can to help you out. Please keep plugging away at this. Come to your meetings on Tuesday and Thursday, or Monday and Wednesday, and hopefully, this all works out well for us. So, okay, that's all I have, guys. So good luck to you and enjoy.